Creating an e-commerce website in Webflow involves several steps, from setting up the project to adding products and configuring payment options. Here's a concise guide. Start a new project. Log into Webflow and click New Project. Choose an e-commerce template or start from scratch. Enable e-commerce features. Go to the project settings, select the e-commerce tab and enable e-commerce features. This will add product pages, a cart, and checkout functionalities. Design your store. Use Webflow's designer to customize the look and feel of your store. Adjust the layout, colors, fonts, and other design elements to match your brand. Add products. In the e-commerce panel, click Add Product. Fill in product details such as name, description, price, and images. Organize products into categories for easier navigation. Set up collections. Use collections to manage categories and group products. For example, create collections for different product types or brands. Configure payment and shipping. In the e-commerce settings, connect the payment gateway to process transactions. Set up shipping methods and rates based on regions or product weight. Customize checkout and cart. Design the checkout and cart pages to ensure a seamless user experience. Add trust badges and secure payment icons and customize form fields. Test your store. Preview your site and test the shopping experience from product browsing to checkout to ensure everything works smoothly. Publish your site. Once satisfied, click Publish to make your e-commerce website live.